Hi guys, work a shift with me in animal hospital. Okay, so I already know that guy needs herbs. So I'll just get some herbs. Come on in. Room 1. Right here. Good. DNA sample done. Okay. We already know he needs herbs. When you treat the first ever patient, like on your first ever day, make sure to give him herbs because he always had the stomach ache. The first patient always had the stomach ache, guys. And also the second patient always, I don't know what he has, I forgot, but he needs eye drops. I was so scared for a stomach ache, really. I mean, you can't be scared, but I don't know. Hey, bro, stop being rude. Okay. Let's close that door. Go to room 2. Okay, come on in. Room 2. Okay, and it does need eye drops. So yeah. And yes guys, I am playing alone here. And guys, that is my new avatar, so make sure to add me on Roblox. And as I knew it, okay, apply treatment. Okay, the doctor is arriving. Okay. Oh, okay. So let's see. Yeah, we all know your name is Dr. Harlow. Okay, and I've played Animal Hospital a lot of times, so yeah. I don't need all your hints. Okay, come on in. Okay. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.